Hi everybody, welcome back to the Pocket Rocket magazine. I'm here in Benalmadena and I'm doing a tour for this month. A tour of the businesses that support the Pocket Rocket, for you to be able to pick up the magazine when you're here in Benalmadena Torremolinos Fuengirola. As we walk in now to a greenhouse. There's a few on the terrace here, very nice. Right, got my coffee, got my tea cake for €3, 2 butters, jam. Spreading one of these in the greenhouse, brilliant. Tastes delicious. €3, what would this be in? I don't know. Birmingham, Manchester, or even Leeds. Toasted tea cake and a tea. I don't think you can get a coffee for less than a £5. Anyway, if you want to enjoy the sun here, it's beautiful now. In Bonanza area, in Benalmadena. Let's come to this sunny terrace. Hi, what's your name then, and why do you come to the greenhouse?
I like the guys here. We've been coming since they first took it on, and we just love it. It's so friendly, cheap, and the clientele that come in as well. 'Cause if you don't have the good clientele, you don't have a good pub.
That's true, yeah. And this is your lovely wife?
You see what I mean? He doesn't show. There's actually nothing now. I just totally agree with him.
So are you on holiday, or do you stay here for like...
Holiday.
We usually come over for 4 months, 4 or 5 months.
Oh right, so you're here for the winter, keeping warm.
And then go back to southwest France, because it starts raining in November.
Yeah.
Forgets to stop till April.
Right, so that's why you're here.
Yeah. Coldest winter we've had there were -29.
Wow. But this sunny terrace is always sunny here, is it?
It's always sunny. They drop the sides down if it's windy. And you can have a few beers, and 4 beers for the tenner. You can't get that back in France. You can't get 1 pint for that.
Thank you for talking to us. It's absolutely fine. Look at the sunny terrace. Hello, Martin.
Hi.
It's one of
Hi, everyone.
the guys. Beautiful. So if you're in Benalmadena and you're down the Bonanza area, come down and see the boys. Light lunch menu, breakfast if you really want, tea cakes. Sandwiches, as you can see here. Hello there, sorry to interrupt.
Hello.
I'll just quickly ask you, why do you keep coming back to the greenhouse?
Just enjoyable here, it's nice atmosphere and it's good service.
Sorry, I didn't ask your name.
Peter,
Hi, Peter.
I'm not going to tell you where I live.
Oh, it's all right.
I
Don't worry about that. Are you enjoying that sandwich?
am.
Burger,
Very
is
nice
it?
burger, yeah, very nice.
Okay, I'll let you get on.
Okay, thanks a lot.
If you are coming to Benalmadena, come to the greenhouse, where you'll have a warm welcome every time. And not forgetting where all the action takes place. Hi guys, here it is where the actual hustle and bustle takes place. Cocktails made here by the fair hand of Ricky, or Martin, or Steve. What a great atmosphere here. Come down, have a word, get yourself a cocktail. We're going to move on now to Arroyo, which is part of Benalmadena, more of the town, the business end. So we'll see you in a bit. Bye for now.